Hello everyone, my name is ATP and welcome to another episode from our Testing Strategies series, a new type of videos where we test complete trading strategies suggested by you. Not only will I show you how each strategy works, but I will also test them across multiple markets and time frames, presenting you with accurate and impartial results. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Today's strategy was suggested by one of our Discord members, so a big thanks to you for sharing this with us. This strategy is inspired by a video from another YouTuber who is known for showing good strategies, so I'm very excited to see how it performs. To start, let's add all necessary indicators to our TradingView charts. I will follow the exact rules that were presented in the video. First, we have the main indicator, the squeeze momentum, this one here by Lazy Bear, which is the #1 custom indicator on TradingView, used by more than 90,000 traders, with the default settings, which is going to be the trigger indicator for this strategy, so the indicator that gives us the buy and sell signals. By definition, the squeeze momentum is a technical analysis tool that combines elements of the Bollinger Bands and the Keltner channel, being a momentum indicator that helps traders identify the direction and strength of the market. If we go to Lazy Bear's page and search for the indicator, we can see that the creator suggests using the gray dots of the oscillator in combination with the momentum to enter in trades. And this will be the way I will use this indicator. When a gray cross appears after a black one during a bullish momentum, when these bars are green, it means it can be a good opportunity to enter in a buy position. And when a gray cross appears after a black one during a bearish momentum, when these bars are red, it means it can be a good opportunity to enter in a sell position. Alongside, we'll add the ADX, this one here, with the default settings, which is used as the volume indicator. This one is a specific indicator used to verify the strength of a trend, and so its function is very simple: eliminate fake signals from the trigger indicator. And how? You will only consider signals, either long or short ones, when the ADX value is above 25, meaning that the market is trending. We can add a horizontal line on the 25 level to simplify this. Lastly, we'll add a baseline indicator, a 200 period exponential moving average. This will help us align trades with the major market trend, further reducing false signals. With everything in place, here's an example of a valid buy setup. The squeeze momentum gives a buy signal, the ADX is above the 25 level, and the price is above the 200 EMA. Likewise, for a sell setup, the squeeze momentum gives a sell signal, the ADX is above the 25 level, and the price is below the 200 EMA. Regarding the stop loss and take profit management, I will also follow the exact rules presented in the video, using a stop loss with a 2% loss and a take profit with a 2.7% profit. If you would like to check this, you can refer back to the video from the YouTuber. Also, although the creator tested this strategy only on Bitcoin, I will test it across different markets to assess its robustness and adaptability. For this series, I will take a comprehensive approach to the testing setup. I will be analyzing this strategy on 7 different time frames: the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours and daily. Regarding the trading assets, we are going to test the strategy on 5 different ones: Bitcoin from the crypto market, Euro USD from Forex, gold from commodities, Apple from stocks, and the S&P 500 index from equities. By covering such an expansive range of assets and timeframes, we'll get a solid view of the strategy's robustness and performance across several scenarios. Regarding data, I won't limit the dataset. Instead, I will use all available historical data on TradingView for each asset and timeframe, ensuring we gather the largest possible sample size. With everything in place, it's time to begin the backtest. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, as probably all of you will do, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I will use my premium indicators testing bot, a tool that allows me to test thousands of strategies quickly and effectively, providing real results. With it, I can define all these indicators with their respective functions along with many other options. If you are interested in using this tool for your own testing, you can find more details on my website at algotradepro.com. Once we have set all the conditions, the trading bot will execute every valid trade on the charts with the respective entry point, stop loss and exit point. Also, you will see the monthly results displayed along with overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. Since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create my trading journals with all the information about this strategy. I will speed up this part of the video, but feel free to slow it down if you'd like to catch every detail. I will see you in a few moments. After running the backtest, I've compiled the data into my trading journal, where you can evaluate the performance of each time frame. Starting with the lower ones, the 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes, we can see that the results were inefficient. You can pause the video to check every single detail, or by looking at the equity charts, you can easily draw your conclusions. Next, in the 30-minute time frame, the results were a little better. With a win rate of 44.42% and a net profit of 83%, the strategy achieved better results, being the only downside the drawdown, which was higher than what we usually expect. It is important to mention that this drawdown is highly correlated with Bitcoin's results, because all the other assets achieved decent stats. Then, on the 1 hour time frame, the results were profitable as well, but not as efficient, because the win rate was a bit lower and the drawdowns were higher. Here you have the results of every asset and the final equity chart. Next, in the 4 hour time frame, this strategy was quite efficient, because after 755 trades, it got a win rate close to 47% and a net profit of 163%. The drawdowns were acceptable and the equity chart was quite solid. Finally, on the daily time frame, the results were similar to the 1 hour time frame, profitable but not very efficient. So, according to these results, it seems like the 4 hour time frame can be a good one to apply this strategy to achieve consistent and profitable results. Of course, remember, this testing series is all about impartial analysis. I'm not here to judge if a strategy is good or bad, but rather to present its real-world performance across different market conditions. The performance could vary significantly if you change the conditions or even the settings, so please always test your strategies before putting them into practice. If you want to see your strategy tested in a future episode, just leave a comment with a full setup or share it on our free Discord community. And that's it for today's episode of our testing strategy series. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more strategy and indicator tests like this one. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.